Hello guys, welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. And firstly, I would like to thank all of you a lot for helping me to complete 100 subscribers on my channel. I hope that all of my viewers have enjoyed my videos till now and will also enjoy in the future. So now let us talk about our today's video. Today, I will talk about 5 very special birds of the bird of paradise family. So let us begin. At first, I want to talk about the birds of paradise. The birds of paradise are members of the family Paradiseidae of the order Passeriformes. The majority of species are found in Papua New Guinea and Eastern Australia. They are special for the highly elongated and elaborate feathers from the beak, wings, tail, or head. The family has 42 species in 15 genera. The diet of all species is dominated by fruit and to a lesser extent arthropods. The greater bird of paradise is a bird of paradise in the genus Paradisea. The scientific name of this bird is Paradisea apoda. It is the largest member in the genus Paradisea, with males measuring up to 47 cm excluding the long twin tail wires. The female is bigger and measures almost 48 cm. They are fond of fruits and arthropods. Wilson's bird of paradise is a species of passerine birds of the family Paradiseidae. The scientific name of this bird is Cincinnurus respublica. They are rather small. Males can reach a length of 16 cm and a weight of 53 to 67 grams, while the females can reach a length of 16 cm but a weight of 52 to 60 grams. The colors of their feathers can very much amaze us. Their diet consists of fruits, insects, etc. The king of Saxony bird of paradise is the only member in the monotypic genus Pterodophora. It is endemic to montane forest in New Guinea. The scientific name of this bird is Pteridophora alberti. The adult bird is approximately 22 cm long. Their speciality is their two remarkably long, scalloped, enamel blue-brown plumes that can be independently erected at the bird's will. They measure up to 50 cm. They mainly eat fruits, berries, and arthropods. The king bird of paradise is a passerine bird of the Paradiseidae family. It is the sole member of the genus Cincinnurus. They are distributed throughout lowland forests of New Guinea and nearby islands. Their elongated tail wires are extremely beautiful. They mainly feed on fruits and arthropods. Their scientific name is Cincinnurus regius. The greater Lophorina or the super bird of paradise or the greater super bird of paradise is a species of the Paradiseidae family. It was considered to be the sole species in the genus until in 2017 it was recognized that there were 3 species. It is a small, approximately 26 cm long bird. They mainly feed on fruits, insects, frogs, other small birds, etc. The bird's black cape is less oval and its blue breast feathers look more like a frowny face. The scientific name of this bird is Lophorina superba. After seeing all these beautiful birds, I would like to say that nothing stands against the beauty of nature. Therefore, I would like to end my video with one quote of William Shakespeare. That is, one touch of nature makes the whole world kin. If you have enjoyed this video, then click the like button, comment down below which one is your favorite bird among these 5, and if you are new to my channel, subscribe it. Press the bell icon to always get the notifications of my videos first, and if you have already done so, then please share my video so that the members of our Fun with Ayush family increases. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.